And here we have the giant Kea bird, or Kea. Actually, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's spelled K-E-A. It's a bird that is pretty adorable and native, and probably found, I think, found only on the South Island of New Zealand. And it's huge. It's like as if one bird ate two others. Unfortunately, I think it's been fed by humans, which is why it's so unafraid of us as it goes around exploring for food. Don't fly into the RV. There you go, smart. Close the RV doors. See, it's actually looking for food. It's not sure what to do. Where's the food? Where's the food? Is that food? Probably not. It really thinks there's food, which you definitely should not feed food, because then you're just making it worse. They'll just keep hanging out in parking lots. There's a second one back there. But yeah, to give you a size, this is a sense of size. This bird is probably the size of a really small puppy, or a large puppy. Clearly not afraid of humans. Oh, they're feeding it. That's bad. Okay. Humans shouldn't feed wildlife.